get picky when it comes to the females. It's kinda like new clothes when the retails. I know my shit well, girls trying to play still, so I'm just focused on the money and I'm trying to get mail. Hey ma, I'm trying to chill if that's okay. Maybe we can match like a breakfast with the OJ. Where yeah, I like OJs, bring it back to old days. Kinda like a throwback Thursday. I can tell you're thirsty, so let me mix your coke with the Henny and let me put your coat on, girl, when it get windy. I know you feel me, but other boys got you thinking too, and they be wicked too, thinking they gonna take care of you. Nah, you got it twisted, you missed it. While you with the girls and chilling with the other bitches. I ain't gonna say no names though. I hope that we can still hang out like rappers with the chains low. Ain't trying to see you in no pain though. I wanna see your smile shine bright, kinda like a rainbow or a diamond. You always got me smiling and wildin'. Maybe take a trip to an island. Hey ma, what's up? Let's slide, alright. And we can get it on the night. You smoke, I drink, me too. We good, cause we can get it on the night.